us. You wanna go to the park?
Yes.
You wanna go walk around? Go play?
I want to get out.
We are getting out, honey.
I want to play with Noah.
You wanna go play with Noah? Well, let's do it. Let's do it.
I miss you, Mommy.
You miss me.
And Sandy.
I'm right here.
I miss you, Mommy.
You've been with me all day long. Well, hello. Can I get some French fries, please?
This one.
Thank you. How much does it cost? How much are the French fries? Oh,
He quit.
he quit his job. Oh, thank you, honey. Well, hello.
I like top.
Okay, we're here at the Asian market. We're gonna get some Asian snacks. Gonna get May.
I get Asian market.
I'm gonna get Asian snacks. Asian snackies. Here we go. It's gonna be so yummy. Look at all the snackies in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna try them, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so tasty.
Tasty.
So tasty.
That's fine.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby.
Ooh, Mason, what is this?
What's this? What's
Chicken
that?
feet.
Chicken feet.
Look at it. It's a chicken feet. It's
It's
a
a
foot.
chicken.
Does it look like a chicken foot?
Yes. A second foot. Second foot.
I like these. What's that one? Here they are. My favorite. That's something different.
Yeah, I haven't had that.
You wanna try them?
Yeah.
Woo! I want blue.
Okay. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna try Asian snacks. We just got back from the Asian market. We're so happy. Okay, and we got loads of snacks. Okay, Noah, do you wanna come try snacks with us? Do you wanna try a drink first or a snacky? Wanna try this one? Okay, we're gonna try the shrimp chip. This was my favorite chip as a kid. I used to eat these all the time. Here, smell it. What does it smell like?
It smells.
Does it smell fishy?
Mmm.
What are you eating already, mister?
Mmm.
Mm-mm-mm.
Mmm.
And it has that shrimpy, yummy taste. It's not overpowering shrimp though. It tastes. Would you like to be in that video? It tastes like what? Like rice paper? Or what is it called? Like a rice paper, rice.
Like a waferish
Uh huh.
thing.
And it like sticks to your tongue a little bit. Let's see. What do you think? Is it yummy? These are Mommy's favorite. Shrimp chips.
Maybe I'm down
I like
here.
these a lot.
I want it, Daddy.
He said I want it. Okay, let's try another one. Do you want to try a drink or another chip?
Noah's.
These are
I want
Noe's.
drink.
A drink? Okay, pick a drink that you want to try. We have so many. You want this blue one? I think you were saying earlier you wanted this blue one. Okay, let's try it.
It's good.
This is a fruit punch. Can you see it? I don't know if you can really see it. Basil seed drink with mixed fruit flavor. All right. Looks pretty cool. Here, you want to try it?
Okay.
You're trying to put the cap back on? Okay, it comes out very fast. So you might have to take 2 hands, put your chip down. Or eat it, yeah. He loves those.
Mm-hmm, shrimp chips.
Take 2 hands so you don't spill it, honey. Love the cap. Okay, let's see. I'll try the lychee one. This one looks really yummy. 2 hands.
Alright.
Thank
I'm
you.
done.
Is it good? Do you like it or is it weird?
I like it.
You like it? You want to try some?
I like it. A
No.
blue one. I want this. I want. I want.
That's really good.
This
You
one,
gotta
Daddy.
wait, baby. You gotta wait, baby.
This one,
You gotta wait,
Daddy.
baby.
Okay, which one do you want? You try this one?
No, I want this one.
This one?
I want this one. Oh dear.
What, this one?
Oh no.
What, this one?
Oh dear.
This one?
Oh dear.
Oh, he wants the shrimp chips. Okay, bring it for him, please. It's okay. All right, you love these, huh? We have all these other ones to try. Okay, so lychee, here we go.
Good.
This tastes like childhood. Ooh, I really like this one.
This is-
Right, it's better than the fruit punch one.
Alright, good, Daddy.
That's really
Alright,
good.
good, Daddy. Alright, good, Daddy.
Yeah, it's good, baby.
Oh, we weren't rating them. Okay, I rate these 10 out of 10. What do you rate these out of 1 to 10? Oh, I think he likes it as a 10. This one, 10 out of 10.
Chips.
Definitely. What do you rate the shrimp chips? You.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. I like a 10 out of 10. And then what about the lychee drink?
That one, well, I haven't had the rest of them, so I'll say 7.5 out of 10.
Well, just as in general, like as a drink itself.
I bought it. Like an 8 then, I
An
guess.
8? Oh my gosh, I love it. I think it's a 10. Okay, and then this blue drink, I'll rate this one. Let me try it again.
Trust me.
It looks pretty. It looks cool.
No one sit. No one
I rate this
sit.
one a 7.
No one sit. No one
That one definitely
sit.
tastes
No one sit. No
Mason?
one sit. No one sit.
I don't think this one is an Asian drink, but we got this at the Asian market too.
Yeah.
But here, you want to try this one? See if you like it. This is Mommy and Daddy's, one of our favorites. Comes out fast.
I like it. That tastes weird.
Good, right?
It tastes weird?
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah, they're
I think it
good.
tastes so good.
Eat, eat.
I love it.
Strawberry banana.
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, they love those shrimp chips. Okay. Okay, here. There's a bunch of other snacks
what's
to
your
try. Here.
Do the
Oh,
cheese.
want to try the cheesy ones? Okay, these ones are cheese rings. Noah picked these ones out.
He loves cheese.
Ooh, because you love your Cheeto Puffs, huh? I love these shrimp chips.
No.
You can share, okay? They're everybody's. Dang, I can't open anything. This is why he's here. Opening all the hard stuff. Okay, Ready? The cheese rings. Here we go. This is what they look like. Oh, I forgot to show what they look like. This is what the shrimp chips look like, too. They're so yummy.
No one like those.
I know the shrimp
More
chips
like a
aren't going
sweet
anywhere.
Cheeto
So
puff.
here we go. Let Mommy try it.
Sweet Cheeto puff, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's like sweet.
It's like crunchier than a Cheeto puff. It's like, oh, I don't know if he likes it. He's like, that's not my Cheeto puffs. But it's like sweeter. Sweeter than a Cheeto puff. With a sweet taste to it. You want to try it?
They're good though.
What do you think? I like these a lot.
I do too.
What's the ingredients on them?
Why is it sweet?
I don't know. Coconut oil. Is that
That's
why?
yeah.
Oh, and it's a corn. It's like a corn. I don't know if Cheetos are corn. Corn
Yeah, I think
chips.
so.
They're good though.
Flour.
You can share those. These are everybody. I should have got 2 bags of these.
Yeah, I can go through that fast.
There. Okay. I keep going for these shrimp chips. They're so yummy.
These are shrimp or shrimp ones.
Oh yeah. Okay, so these are another chips. These are Lao, but Lay's.
You read the flavor off?
Hmm?
It's like-
Boat noodles flavor. So let's try it. This is a soup flavor, Mimi. I'm gonna try it. Oh my goodness.
Stink?
That smells like straight up, like a noodle bowl.
Good way or bad way?
It smells like food. That's weird. It smells like literally like a soup.
Oh, wow, it does.
Like if I was like eating a soup and I was like smelling it. That's wild.
Mine.
Okay, let's try this one. I'm excited. Here. Mason, you want to try the soup chip?
That smells good.
Yes.
It smells like a straight up soup bowl.
Yeah.
I want this one, mommy.
That's weird.
This one, mommy. This
They're good,
one,
though.
mommy.
It's good.
This
It
one.
tastes like a soup and a chip.
You
It's
can
a little bit
You
spicy.
can taste the mushrooms and everything on it. Right?
The beef.
Yeah.
That is so weird.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
That's weird.
These are good.
I had to keep it a little bit super fast. Like a small kick.
I wonder how maybe it's just the seasonings.
Like
They
you could
put
taste the
on it.
green onion and everything.
I know.
And the mushroom and all that.
Mm-hmm. That's wild.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Hey, you want to try one? Oh, okay.
Mason will like it. Here, my man.
Do you want to take a break?
You might want to go play around for a little bit.
Okay, let's go take a break. Go ahead. Okay, want to try one of these? They're a little bit spicy. It has a little kick to
No,
it.
mommy.
Want to smell
I
it?
like those.
Here,
They're
smell
good.
it. Smell it.
It's really good.
It's
You'll
soup
like it,
flavored.
Mason?
This one's chippies.
It's a chippy. It's like a soup flavor. What do you think?
It's good.
What do you think?
I rate these a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, because it's exactly what you think of
It
it.
tastes exactly like a soup, like a
Yeah.
soup bowl.
So if you want soup that day, get those.
It has a little bit of a spice to it, a little kick.
Nothing crazy though.
Okay. You want to try another chip, a cracker, or chocolate?
Cleanse your palate.
Or another drink? These are really good. The lychee one.
Try your strawberry one. You can test that one out.
I love that. Okay, this one is strawberry. They look so cool. Okay, here we go. You want to try this one, Mason? You want to try it, Mimi?
Yeah.
All right. Here goes strawberry.
Try it.
It's pretty good. I like the lychee one better. I give this one a
I like mommy.
I think a 7.5. I don't know, 6, 7.
Oh, Mason get some?
Oh wait, maybe you want to try? It tastes too artificial for me.
Oh,
It kind of tastes like a little kid lip gloss, like a strawberry lip gloss when I was a kid.
Is it good?
Oh, love that backwash.
Like it, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
I should have gave him like his own little cup.
It could be his, yeah.
It could be his. Wait, is it because you got backwash or because?
I tasted his chips on the bread.
Ew. I should have gave him his own little cup.
Oh, here goes another
Should we
one.
do that for these two drinks? Do his own
Nice.
little cup? Okay. Okay, do you want to try it? What, baby?
That one's not really Asian. That one's like kind of, I don't know, aloe vera drink.
Aloe vera? Is it not?
I don't think so. They're good though.
Well, we got it from the Asian market, so we're gonna try it. Okay, what do you want to try next? Pick. He's loving those shrimp chips.
Like this. I know it.
Okay, baby, what do you want to try now?
I know it.
Good the chips. No, the chips.
Okay. Now we're gonna try these shrimp chips. These ones are more of chip consistency rather than like a rice cracker. Excuse me. A rice cracker. Is that how you would say a rice cracker? Yeah, this is more of a chip consistency.
Like hot.
Yeah. Here, you wanna try? Smell? These ones are shrimp chips too.
Ooh, that's a strong.
Jap-
That's a strong.
I
smell.
love these. These are another childhood
Yeah.
favorite.
I can smell it over here.
This is, I think this is Japanese.
I
Let
like
me see.
Don't open that on a plane.
I know,
Dad,
literally.
Mommy.
Original
Dad,
Japanese
Mom,
crunchy.
Dad, Mommy, Dad, Mommy, Dad,
Yes,
Mommy,
baby.
Dad, Mommy.
These are my favorite. These ones are the other ones.
Yeah, that's a strong smell.
Baked, not fried. What do you rate those? 1 out of 10. 10 being the best and 1 being kind of
What's
yucky.
this one?
A shrimp chip. Do you say 1 or 10?
Which one?
A 1 is bad and then a 10 is good. Which one do you rate it? A 1 or a 10?
10.
Yeah! Okay, now we have our Kit Kats. We left these in the car, so hopefully they're not melted. But we're gonna test it. I didn't want to open it yet until the video. But we have strawberry Kit Kat. We have a green tea Kit Kat. And we have orange chocolate Kit Kat. Which one do you want to try first, May? Pink, green, or orange?
Orange.
Orange? All right, here we go. Hopefully they're not melted. They're trying to feel like they are. Noah, you want to try? Oh yeah. So they look a little wonky. Hopefully they taste good. They were left in the car, darn it. So this is what they look like because they were in the car, so they're a little bit melted.
Yeah.
But smells like orange. It tastes like a chocolate covered orange. Like those candies. Have you ever had that?
Yeah, I have.
I don't like it.
No?
No.
I give it a 2.
I would love to try it.
What do you rate it?
No.
If you're craving it, it's exactly what you think it would be.
Yeah. I'm not a big orange chocolate fan though, but I've never had it, so I wanted to try it. You want to try this one? What do you think?
I want to try it.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Okay, look at the camera and try it. What do you think?
Mmm.
You like it?
Yeah.
1 being yucky, 10 being really yummy. Is it yucky or yummy? 1 or 10?
It's yummy.
So what do you give it? What number?
10.
A 10? Okay. If you like orange chocolate, chocolate covered
it is,
orange, that's
yeah.
exactly what it is. Okay, let's do strawberry. Let me cleanse my palate. Well, he's gone. Is it just going to be me in this video now?
No, Mike, it's
Everyone left me. Okay, these ones are strawberry. Oh, he wants to be in my video. Let's do it. Noah Bear. Let's scoot you closer to Mom. All right. Okay, which one do you... Oh, they love these chips. Going back for the shrimp chips.
Actually, that one's over there.
They're spicy.
They're good.
And they're good, yeah.
Oh, this one. No, I didn't.
Sit with us. Wonderful. Okay, well, I guess it's just me. Everybody left me. So we're gonna try strawberry. If I can get it out. Sucks that these are all melted. Cute little pink Kit Kat. Ooh, it smells. It's dang. I smelled that right away when I opened it. I think I'm gonna like this. A little overpowering of the artificial strawberry. You don't just bite it. A little overpowering.
Reminds me of like a strawberry shampoo you smell. But it smells the way it tastes.
Yeah. And it has kind of like a tanginess when you bite into it. Sit with mommy and eat this.
Did it?
Okay, you want to try this one? This one's strawberry.
This one is strawberry.
What do you think? Look at the camera. Is it good or yucky?
Good.
Oh, good. Okay. Do you want it? You can have it if you want it. Okay. So these ones are okay. Green tea. I think I'm going to really like these ones. I love green tea stuff. Oh, they're all melted. It smells so good. Okay, you want to try this one? Oh, take a break. Here, you want to try it?
I'm good.
You don't want
You
it?
don't want to try the green tea one? See if you like it? Okay.
You want
Take a
it?
bite. Take a bite and tell me if you like it. I really like this one. This is really good.
You don't want it?
10 out of 10. I give these ones a 10 out of 10. If you like green tea, you definitely love these. It's not too overpowering, and it's like the perfect right amount of hint of green tea. Matcha. Okay. Let's do a little drink. Do you want to try brown or green?
No, I'm not brown.
Brown? Okay, here we go. This one is like a coconut milk. Let's see. Yeah, coconut milk. Coconut, what is it? Rice milk? Oh, okay. Oh, rice flavored drink. Oh yeah, here we go. I don't know, you can't even read it, it's so small. But it's a rice flavored drink and it contains coconut and milk. So let's try it. Okay, it's all in Asian writing.
Noah.
He's playing. Doesn't smell very nice. It smells like rice and coconut.
A car. A car, Mommy.
No!
A car, Mommy.
This tastes exactly like rice water. You made
A
some
car.
rice bowl
A
and you
car.
mixed it up and
A
drank
car.
it. Hold
A
on.
car. A car.
Try this. Tell me if you like it. Wow, that tastes just like rice water. Ew.
It's milk.
Try it. Oh, shoot. What do you think?
I feel it.
Is it good or gross?
It's gross.
It is gross. It tastes just like if you made a rice pot. You were making
I
rice.
just feel it.
Take a drink.
Mommy's clean. Mommy's cleaning.
Yeah, no, it's gross.
Ew.
It's really gross.
Well, let's try this one. This one should be better. I love aloe vera. If you've ever had an aloe drink. You know what? Oop. Want to try this one? Tastes like aloe vera with the pulp. Aloe vera drink. And it doesn't taste like the plant. It tastes sweet. If you've never had aloe vera drink before. Was it good or yucky?
Good.
It's good. Did you get a little chunk?
Yeah.
Try some more. That's the aloe vera. This is our very last one. These are like little rice crackers. This was a favorite when I was a kid too. I loved these. Ooh, I love these. Okay. And they're so cute, the little packaging. Oh, this one's broken. They're all broken.
I just swallowed, Mommy.
Nice. Is it a good one? Okay. Okay. Smell. Take a bite. Let's see if you like it. Here, hold it, honey.
A
Super
cracker.
good. I know, these are my favorite.
A cracker.
Well, I said everything my favorite.
A cracker, Mommy.
I don't know.
A cracker, Mommy.
That's
Mm.
good.
Cracker,
These taste
Mommy.
exactly like
a
that.
Cracker, Mommy.
It's a cracker.
It's good, really good. It's hard to see the flavor.
Super flavorful. I don't know what the flavor is. I just remember eating these as a kid. Bin Bin rice crackers is what they're called.
Hella good.
Hella good. Mm-hmm. I don't know what the flavor is though. Soy sauce powder, it says. But that doesn't sound good, but it's very yummy.
That tastes yummy, this one.
Noah's over there being wild. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Oh, these are a product of Thailand. Super good. I can't explain the flavor, but it's really yummy. And they're one of our favorites. Callie, come here, honey.
It's Callie.
This is our Callie Coco. This is little Callie.
It's scary.
And today she's gonna try a shrimp chip.
You don't like it? Like it?
I don't think she wants it.
She hates every second of this.
Oh, okay. Bella will eat it. Bella likes it. Come here, Bella. And this is our Bella. Come here, Bella. Bella, come here. You want this? She's under the table. She's being shy. Come here. Because that's where she begs for all the food, is under the table. Okay, listen for that crunch. Okay. Well, I rate these 10 out of 10. These are great. And I can't explain the flavor on it, but they're super flavorful.
They're good.
And that's one of our favorites. So I'd say my favorite out of all of this was the green tea Kit Kats. Both shrimp chips were my favorite. And these crackers. Oh, and these too. These are pretty good. Let's try it again. They're weird but good. Because it tastes like a literal soup. You can taste the beef and everything. Oh, and then this drink was my favorite. This one.
Nah, it was good.
Out of all these snacks, what was your favorite? This one was your favorite too? This one? What else was your favorite? What was your favorite chip? Which chip was your favorite?
This one?
These rice cracker ones? Did you like these ones a lot too? Yes. And then what was your favorite chocolate out of the Kit Kat? Did you like the green, orange, or pink the best?
Pink.
You like the pink ones the best?
Yeah.
Well, there you hear it. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you want to keep seeing more content like this, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. But yeah, that was our little taste test.